This is the Met-Chem 50 cubic foot steam heated sludge dryer. We're going to give you a tour of the general operation of this. Obviously this is the control panel. It's up on legs right now. It's going to be elevated even higher, and this particular sludge dryer also gets a catwalk. These are the drive motors, 2 electric drive motors feeding gearboxes, which then are coupled by a coupling to the drive shafts, the augers. They're all direct drive, 2 augers independent. This is a centrally located greasing system. According to the PM chart, you give this thing its greasing pumps as needed, and you fill each of the bearings with grease. All of these lines have been pre-filled with grease, and every pump feeds every bearing because the grease is evenly distributed through this block. This is the scrubber that pulls the humid air out of the sludge dryer. As the sludge dries, there will be some dust that accumulates and may be sucked out with the humid air. We don't want that dusty air to be discharged out of the building. So we scrub this with water. It pulls air into the scrubber, it soaks it, we collect the particles, goes back to wastewater treatment, the humid air is exhausted out of the building. This also has a manometer so that you can monitor the inlet pressure and the outlet pressure and monitor its function. We also have a flow meter that monitors the flow into the scrubber. Solenoid valve for control. We're also monitoring the outlet pressure for the sludge dryer operation. If the scrubber does not have air pressure on the outlet, it means it's not running. The sludge dryer is not permitted to run. This is the sludge outlet control. We have 2 of these, 1 on each side. It opens the gate automatically by the control on the control panel. When the gates are open, the sludge can fall through. You jog the augers to push the sludge across the opening until the sludge makes its way out completely so that the sludge dryer is empty. There's 1 on each side. When you're done, you flip a switch and they automatically close, and it's monitored and indicated on the control panel. We have 6 steam inlet valves, inlet pipes, 3 on each side. When connecting your pipe to the steam inlet, you must back this pipe up. This is welded directly to the steam jacket, and you cannot force, you cannot torque on this. You need to back up the pipe when tightening. These are the non-drive bearings. Again, they are receiving grease from the centrally located greasing system. These are the packing glands. They're packed with gauze to hold the sludge back. This is an easily replaced seal. As the sludge wants to leave the sludge dryer, this holds it back. Eventually they'll fail, but you can easily pull them out with some needle nose pliers, pack some new gauze in, you replace the seal. This is the other pneumatic or automatic actuator to open the sludge gate. These are the other 3 steam inlets. And we're back to the control panel. That is the Met-Chem 50 cubic foot steam heated sludge dryer.